Hey, welcome to Debate the Hype. We're at the Hype Him set. This is extremely important moment. This is our opportunity to create. Give artists a chance to create. Give entrepreneurs a chance to get their voices heard. But one thing I do want to encourage is understanding and listening. Listen to these artists. They have a way to try to connect the dots, and that's what we're doing here. Appreciate you.
All right, what's up, y'all? You already know it's Lloyd. I'm here at the Hype Hymns, about to set up for this live performance music video shoot. So it's gonna be super dope. As you see, we're gonna be setting up spotlights right now. We're on the steady rig right now. We're gonna have the crane jib going up, and it's gonna be amazing. As you see right now, this is unbalanced. I let it go. It's not even going nowhere. So right now, I'm just gonna try to balance it. So therefore, we can just get a perfect balance and steady it the correct way. So basically, we want to have it, it's kind of get like straight on the pole, and it's like pretty much 3 or 4 adjustments you're gonna go through with. That's one way, is first getting this to kind of get balanced, but you want to have this line always line up in the pole first. And after that, we're gonna go with dropping the camera.
So here we have a Kessler mini jib. Basically allows you to get really cool opening establishing shots where you'll see you'll get a nice slide down coming up from above, a high angle shot, transitioning down slowly to a low angle shot. We think it'd be a really dope shot and a visually appealing shot to open the performance scenes for the Debate the Hype artist performances.
What's up? Day 2 here on the set of Debate the Hype. Really excited to see what we've got coming. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Excited to be able to collab with some new people, some old people, and put what I learned in school to work. And this is going to be some good stuff. You gotta show off the heat on the feet. Air Max, I mean, you can't go wrong with a clean pair of Nike Air Max shoes. They make them in big sizes. I got big feet. People call them canoes. So if it ever floods, hop in my shoe. You'll be able to get to where you're going safely, but got to keep the heat on the feet. That's what we do around here.
Just the new music. I feel like I appreciate music so much. I love all genres. So I just want to hear some new artists. Like I want Hype Hymns to put me on to some new people. So when I go home, I'll bump their album, bump their new stuff, and just become a fan.
I feel honored and special being the first female artist on Hype Hymns. You know what I'm saying? Darius and Jasmine and Don know what's up, so they're really into them. So I'm honored to be recognized as lit.
So we're here for another episode of Debate the Hype. This segment here is called Ladies of Hype, in which we're trying to highlight women creatives that are doing it in their industries, whether it's a fashion designer, a videographer, a photographer, a business owner, any industry. The challenge today has been the natural lighting coming in from the windows. We've had to drop the shades and bring a lot of lights on stands to really highlight the women and make sure that they're looking as good as possible on camera.
This is the Ladies of Hype segment. This is one of my favorite segments of the show because it gives us a chance to really spotlight women in this culture because I don't think they always get that moment, and so we really want to have a segment that focuses on that and really brings women to the forefront. Right now I'm sitting at the monitor making sure that while we're setting up the scene that the lighting is right and where we kind of want the furniture, things like that. The symmetry is all set. And so we have our 2 fill-ins right now while our talent's getting ready upstairs. They're doing a pretty good job.
It's very exciting. I'm honored that I'm the first guest, and I'm just excited to showcase my work. And I get to work with Trizell, but he's not gonna jump in the cameras. He doesn't want to be as funny as he usually is. But I am overall very excited. We're having so much fun. There's food, there's awesome people, there's awesome clothes. I really want people to know how hardworking I am. It takes time to produce these kinds of clothes that I do design because they're not upcycled, they're cut and sew, they're made from scratch, and they're my own personal silhouette and design and pattern. And so I want people to understand it takes so long to make these things, and I am working as hard as possible, and I want them to know that I'm behind all this. It's not like a bunch of people that they're just randomly talking to. They're always talking to me, if they DM me, if they talk to me. So I just want people to know that I am a person before I'm a brand. That's it.